Our patented Pedestal star burner is made with function in mind, specifically when it comes to clean it. It's raised so I can come in here and grab a sponge to clean the QuickClean base to reach underneath it. Really easy. And it also has, I want you to look at the side walls here. They're very smooth and easy to reach around, so there's not going to be any cracks where food's going to get lodged in, so it's easier to pick up food from there as well. Our Teardrop-Embossed QuickClean base is going to allow you to get in there and clean it really easy. To clean your unit, the first thing I'd like to recommend is anything that you can remove off this unit, the grates, the star burners, the grommets, or the little legs down here, any of your knobs. Those are not dishwasher safe, so don't put them in the dishwasher, and do not soak them in any type of liquid. Avoid any type of abrasive powders, abrasive sponges, any type of abrasive solvents as well. Light, soapy, warm water is enough to get this cleaned. Also, you might need a paper clip to clean into our ports that we have on our burner in case you have any food stuck in there. Some cloth, and we'll get this started. These here, the way I would clean these is soapy water in the sink and immediately dry them, as well as our star burner caps. And I'm going to use this soft sponge, but we're going to clean it by just kind of going down here. You see how easy that actually just came off? And it goes underneath all our star burners. And because of the teardrop-embossed that we have on here, the way it's made, the quality and the product, it just makes it very, very easy to clean. There's no edges, so they're rounded along the sides, so anything that falls in there, you're able to pick up really nice. And I'll go in here with a cloth, reach underneath. And this one's damp with a little bit of warm water. If you really need to get some soap on here and they're really greasy, you can, but they're not too bad right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this here, this cloth. And also make sure that you dry it real well when you're done with your warm, mild, soapy water. Now it's time to put our gas cooktop back together. And another note, when you're putting the star burner caps on here, ensure that they're on right and they're locked in, because if they go kind of sideways or not on correctly, the flames are not going to be even around your pot or pan. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.